Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. If you're not, welcome back. I'm always glad to see you. Some time ago when I started this channel, I made these chargers. You probably remember that video. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. It was one of the most popular videos, and I was doing a comparison between plain old chargers that you find at Michael's and ones that you create yourself. Mine did come out more expensive, be warned in the beginning if you haven't seen that video, but they actually looked a lot better, and a lot of people have been making them. Since that time, your girl put this whole thing off, and it's totally my fault because I was overwhelmed by having to do 300 of them. So I've worked on everything else but the plates. And since then, the middle plate that I originally used for this project, it has been discontinued. Never fret though, because you know your girl is always going to find a workaround. And that's what we're here to talk about today in this real short update tutorial. It's coming up right now. Here's the plate that I chose from the Dollar Tree. I like this plate because it matched the charger well. Here is the SKU number. So in case you have any trouble finding it, you'll have that number. Now I'm told by the clerk this might be a limited edition. It also came in red and blue. It came in a set. It had saucers, glasses. So you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. There's also other plates. I'll talk about that paisley plate in just a second. But you want to make sure you go out and get these plates if you want them. All right. I did a sample and I really like the way that these spray painted up. So this was really the perfect plate for this project. Never fret though if you don't find this one. All right, you can always find a plate small enough to fit in the center of that charger. I had a lot of these to do. Here's a pro tip: wear gloves and wear a mask. I didn't do that. Don't destroy your lungs and don't destroy your pretty nails. I ended up destroying my nails and pretty much almost giving myself an asthma attack. So definitely cover your face. Don't kill yourself with the spray paint. Again, there's a full tutorial, so I'm running through this a little bit quickly. Here is where I'm spray painting the plates. I just want to show you that's that paisley plate. Other plates do work. That's just another sample. All right. You see how I'm spray painting that at a bit of a distance? You don't want to get too close. If you get too close, the can is liable to drip. It's liable to run, and you don't want runny center plates. You want to stay at a bit of a distance and spray in circular motions. That's what's going to make this come out nice and coated and nice and shiny. All right, this is matte clear enamel. They also make this by Mod Podge. So you don't want to skip this step. This is what's going to keep the spray paint on the plate from cracking, chipping. You want to make sure that you do not skip this. Now, you're not going to eat off these. You're not going to put them in the dishwasher, guys. They are not dishwasher safe. But I'm just going to go through and seal this because I need them to last. And it does not take a whole lot. You just want to coat the plate nicely, and it dries really, really fast. If you ask me, my favorite version is the Mod Podge version. I think it leaves a really pretty gloss. But for now, to save coins, I am using what I have. So just remember, do not skip that step. I lost a clip here, guys, where I did show you me attaching the plate. I used a different glue this time. I used the Gorilla Glue that goes in the construction style gun that's used for caulking. And I just ran it along the bottom edges of the plate and set it down in there. I'm so sorry about that. This is me skipping ahead and showing the actual decoration because I want you to see the decoration on this particular newer plate and show you that it's pretty much the same as the last one. All right. So this is still a fairly easy plate to work with. This is why I chose it. Choosing a plainer plate, you might have a little bit of work trying to make sure that that runs evenly along the edges. Because this plate had the dots on it, it was very easy for me to place the pearls. Okay. So that is something to consider. when you're looking for plates. Again, if they run out of this one, it's perfectly okay. And then because those dots were there, I was able to take the bling and just run it along the top of the dot. So that was really one of the reasons why I thought this plate was going to be excellent for this project. Be careful, that glue is really hot. I'm using a construction grade glue gun that really gets super hot with high temp glue gun sticks. All right, my fingers are used to it. I don't have fingerprints anyway. Child, my fingerprints been burnt off. What? All right, here's the finished product, guys. So you can see it's not that different. The gold one is the original plate, and then there's the cream one, which is the newer plate. So it does look a little bit different. So here's a pro tip. I have 60 of these to do in each color, so I made sure to buy them evenly. I did find more of the pans, even though they're out of stock, so I bought an even number to make sure every table has the exact same plate. The other thing I changed is I didn't spray paint the pearls this time. I only did that for the promo plate that I did in the original video. Again, you can find this full tutorial, guys. If you scroll down the page and go back, you will find it. I will connect this video. But I like how these came out. They came out really nice. The plate is a little bit bigger in the center, but that's okay. I'm not mad at that. Again, if anybody's going from table to table looking at plates saying this ain't the same, you suck. Okay, you suck. Nevertheless, I was able to make it work. Now, as you can see, I've got to do all of these plates. This is just one color. I've got 4 other colors in sets of 60 to do. So I'm going to get off here and get busy because I'm determined to get these done because I should have finished these. I'm kicking myself. I had 2 years and I didn't do it, and I ended up having to change the design. But that's okay. That's okay, because the work of our hands are what? Still very blessed. This is a fun project. If you just want to do your Christmas table, some of y'all might be like, girl, I'm not about to do 300 plates. I ain't mad at you. This was my venture, and doggone it, I'm going to finish it. All right? So until next time, you all be blessed. Thank you for watching the update. Go back and watch the original video. Don't keep me a secret. Share me with a friend. I love y'all. Until next time, be blessed.